G'day guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw a F-22 Raptor jet. I'm going to start with a line of symmetry and I'm going to map out where parts are. So this is going to be the nose part, like so. Now trying to keep those the same. This is the shape of the cockpit. Now depending on the angle that you look at it from, I'm looking at a photo from the internet, so I'm looking at this photo to guide me through my drawing. When I searched up an F-22, I thought that was a good viewpoint. Okay, so once we've got this part here, we've got to work out now where the intakes come from. There and there, a bit of an angle like that, coming down and across, and up there. Now this comes pretty much straight up, like that, very aerodynamic looking planes. A lot of curves in it, but also a lot of angles as well. So this comes back on an angle like this. Then comes, I'm going to bring that all the way across like that, bit of an arch. These wings, from my viewpoint, don't come out that far. And then he's got the dual wings as well, so there's sort of in line roughly with this. At the back they've got these wings that come out on a bit of an angle like this. Up, across, and then back in. Now the reason I'm constructing it up is so that I can get it looking good. To the back of the plane there. Then we've got some wings that these parts, this sort of shades in. It's a bit of like a fold through there like that. That'll help my shading later on. I'm not going to outline that bit. Now this part comes up on an angle like so. Same with this one. Hope you guys are following along and having a good time at home. Bring that out straight across.